Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to show you around this SVR in Estriol Blue. This is a 5 litre V8 petrol, goes from 0 to 60 in 4.3 seconds, that's 575 brake horsepower. This car has previously had only one owner, and if it's due for a service in the next 3 months or 3,000 miles, it will be serviced by us. You have a fluted bonnet, a black contrasting roof, privacy glass, 22-inch gloss black alloys and red brake calipers. It just sounds amazing, and here you can see the powered tailgate, which is great if you've got your hands full, and you have plenty of space there for all your personal items. And you close the boot using that button. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have a lovely half leather ebony interior. And going into the front, if we just lock the car, as you see, you do also have keyless entry. By just pulling the handle it will open, which is great again if you also have your hands full. You have illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and SVR performance seats. You can also see the SVR embossed onto the seats. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and can be opened using this button here. You also have a windshield, but that's just lovely on a nice sunny day, and you can close it using the same button. A 10-inch touchscreen with various different functions including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have valet mode, which you can lock the whole screen, and the valeter will only have access to climate control to keep your personal information safe. Eco data, which tells you how well the car is being driven, whether you're accelerating too much or braking too hard. You also have ambient lighting, which is lovely in the dark and looks pretty cool. Sat nav, and you can also have your sat nav on your front dashboard, which is handy. I'll show you how to do that after. A rear view camera, which makes parking and reversing a lot easier. Everything can be controlled using the buttons on your wheel. As you see, you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, which is great as it will flash if there is anyone overtaking you on the motorway or on a main road to avoid any accidents. A heated steering wheel, along with heated and cooled front seats, ideal for winter and summer. And you do also have heated seats in the back, which makes journeys a luxury for everyone. You also have a dual climate zone, which prevents any arguments whether people are too hot or cold in the car. The front seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's various people in and out of the vehicle. And you do also have a Meridian sound system, adding to the enjoyment of each journey. This car has done 23,131 miles, and you also have a head-up display, which is great as you don't have to take your eyes off the road. Here I'm going to show you how you can change your display layout. You can have 2 dials, 1 dial, or a full map, depending on your preference. You can also have media, which may change depending on what you're using. You also have various different driving modes, including eco, gravel, grass and snow, mud ruts, sand, and a comfort option. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have soft door close. That was a stunning Range Rover SVR in Estriol Blue at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31 and we'll be more than happy to help. Thank you.